Hello and welcome back to the vlog. Today we are going to Iceland. So we buttoning up the hatches, making sure everything is in good order before we go. And we have a flight at 4 o'clock. It's Emerson's spring break today, so he came home yesterday. And today we are taking off to Iceland to go see. We've never been to Iceland before, so we're gonna go see the Aurora Borealis. Hopefully that happens. So we are getting ready to go. And we've been back from Zambia and Zimbabwe for at least a month. Almost 2 months. So today we are going on a journey. Emerson getting ready, and all the luggage is ready to move. We're just waiting for the Uber to show up. Hopefully he'll be here soon. We just need to pack up and be on our way to the airport. So we're leaving early because you have to be at the airport about 2 hours early nowadays. So actually it's 3 hours.
Yeah, we're going to Greenland today.
It's a double vlog.
Greenland? Iceland. We're going to Iceland today.
So I keep saying Greenland.
From what I remember from grade school, right? Iceland was the one that Leif Erikson or some dude who got banished, sort of, went off and found this new territory. Sorry, that was Greenland. He found this new territory from Iceland, and he named it Greenland.
Right.
To make the people in Iceland jealous and think that it was very green and luscious.
Right.
Even when it wasn't.
Even though it's.
And the people from Iceland named Iceland because they wanted people to think that it was frigid and cold, so they wouldn't come and try to take over their lands. Now, this could be complete and total BS, but this is what I remember. And I don't know if I made this up or if someone taught it to me in grade school.
I remember it the same way, but
right? Okay, so maybe I'm not crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know. Go down in the comments and let me know if I remember that.
But I know Iceland was discovered by, I can't pronounce his name. He used ravens as he was sailing. He released ravens, and the ravens went out and found land, and that was Iceland. So it's the land of the Vikings. It's the land of ice and fire.
I think it's funny that
There's two vlogging cameras.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. Hey guys,
We're vlogging
what's
from
up?
2.
How you doing? Pretty
Yeah.
good?
Pretty good. Are you guys doing okay? Oh, okay. We doing good too. You, how about you?
The cuts in the video are gonna be funny, bro.
You got dueling vlogs.
Yeah.
Dueling cameras. It's funny.
Anyway, so yeah, so we've packed up pretty much, and we about
I'm
ready
sick,
to
by
go.
I'm getting better.
Laundry has been done.
I'm kind of sick. So,
House is kind of a mess, but packing is not my very favorite thing to do. I always wait till the last minute to pack. And so when I pack, it's like, oh shit, what am I
what I
forgetting?
think is funny too?
What?
I wait till the last minute to pack too, right?
Yeah.
But I was still done hours before he.
Well,
I
because
started packing. When did you start packing?
I started packing last night.
I started packing today.
So the difference between me packing and him packing, he just packs the bag. I have to pack the cameras. I have to charge the batteries. I got to make sure all the drives are formatted and ready to go.
Yeah, for all you beautiful people.
So, there's so many things that I got to make sure are happening. I have to make sure all the converters and adapters are ready. So it takes a long time to pack. And I always promise myself that I'll do it 4 days in advance. I never do. I always do it the last minute. But
Side note, I
is
think
what
this
it
is
is.
kind of cool. The whole family is kind of dripped right now. Because, like, you got dad over here in his all white diamond little tracksuit. You got me in my little boohoo tracksuit. My mom's wearing a Puma tracksuit.
And so we were debating because Emerson was putting on his headdress there. And I was like, oh man, this dude is going to be randomly searched today at the airport.
I almost always get randomly searched
Yeah.
at the airport.
And-
There
and-
is never a time when
Yeah.
I am not randomly searched.
Yep.
And we were debating. He was watching me put this on because I didn't want to put on a do-rag, but my hair's a little wild and I hadn't matted it down, and I needed something satin. So this has satin on the inside. I was like, all right, I'm gonna put the turban on. And then I'm thinking about it. I'm like, yeah. I feel like in an airport, this is more likely to randomly search because like being black is like enough of a reason to be randomly searched, but like being black and having a turban on your head, ooh, that's not
Yeah. So I didn't want to say anything to Emerson as I was putting it on. I was like, oh, okay, I won't say anything. And he comes over and he says, do you think they're going to randomly search me today? I'm like, yeah, for sure. I'm like, yeah, that's for sure. You get a random search today.
Trying to
So-
keep my sides slicked down so that they stay down because I eco gel.
Is this generalized gun yours?
Yeah, it is.
You want it?
Yeah, I'm about to put it in my bag.
Okay, and then if you take it with you.
There we go. See, y'all might still think that I look homeless. Damn, the turban kind of gave me waves.
You did.
That's crazy. I didn't know that was gonna happen. But my hair is a mess right now because I am getting my sides turned into proper locks. And in order to do that, right, I gotta grow my sides out, which means that they gotta look bushy and ugly for a while. So I'm in that phase right now. And I hate it
All right.
because I feel homeless most of the time if I don't do like 40 million things to take care of my hair. But it's getting close to time for us to get going, so I'm gonna put you guys down and do my final packing checks.
So we got 10 minutes.
We'll see you potentially in the Uber, possibly at the airport. Oh, remember when I was saying we all fitted? Purple tracksuit, black tracksuit, white tracksuit. It'd be funny if you was in a black tracksuit and you in a white tracksuit. I think that would be the best. And then I could just
But I'm
find
in
like
purple,
a
which is pretty cool. I like
yeah,
purple.
and then I could just find like a nice little brown tracksuit, you know, to be in the middle. I think that'd be a funny bit.
The color coded.
All right, I'm gonna finish packing. We'll see y'all later.
The Uber is here, so I am going to take some of these bags out. All right, we've arrived at the airport. We're just gonna go and check in, and then we'll be on our way. I love this. We are the only one at the check-in. Look. Nobody else is going to Iceland at this time of year, I guess. It's not exactly warm weather for vacation.
spring break for most people. I don't think most
Yeah.
people spend spring break in Iceland.
Yeah.
Me, however, I like new places.
Yeah.
And I ain't been to Iceland yet. So.
Another country to tick off the thing.
Technically, no.
Huh?
It's a territory of Norway, isn't it?
No, it's not. It's its own country. It's not. It's a sovereign nation.
At some point. I said at some point was a part of Norway. Because they used to
Yeah. I think you gained independence.
which is the
From
same
some.
as Norway. They use the same currency. They use the same currency as Norway.
Do they?
Yeah, they use the kroner.
Yeah.
He used to be part of who?
I assume Norway. That's what we were discussing. Because they use the same currency.
The Kerner.
So we just got out of security.
Where I got patted down for attention.
Surprisingly enough, Emerson and I escaped, and the only person that got patted down is that one.
And it was very personal. She didn't even buy me dinner first. Like, there was no room. It was, it wasn't very nice.
Normally, Emerson and I usually get, randomly searched to a different room.
No, we either get patted down or my bags get randomly searched. It's almost always one or the other.
Yeah.
And right now, this time, neither. So this is like a first for me.
Yeah.
In like years.
I'm good with that.
I think my airport luck is finally turning around, bro. I had a flight that wasn't delayed. I didn't get patted down. Things are looking up for me. It's been a hectic few years, but
I like that. And our train is here. This is the A train.
The A train. But this says bound for Seagate.
To the A gates we go.
To the A gates we go.
To the A gates. That is the tunnel. So this is the train to the A gates. Usually here at Dallas Airport, there's the train, or you can take one of those mobile transport things that take you places. They are terrible, but this is the option.
Train's better.
This is a better option. The train.
yeah, no, the people movers suck. I used to love them when I was little. I thought that the people movers were really cool. Then as I got older, I realized that they're actually terrible and slow and miserable, and I hate them. But these trains are nice. They get you where you need to go very, very quickly. The only thing is, the international gates never have them. So whenever you're coming back from anywhere international, you always got to hop on a people mover.
Is this A? Oh, okay. Thank you. See you guys later. Those people movers are a pain in the ass because you gotta all file in. They pack you in like sardines, and then you gotta wait for the driver to get there, and then he goes on the runway across to the other side. So it takes a while. I think this is a better option. I don't know. What do you think?
Definitely a better option.
Better option?
Yeah.
You
The
think than the
trains?
people
Yeah.
movers? Yeah.
I like this art.
Yeah, that's
over
what my
here.
whole rant was about.
Oh, okay.
I like this art over here.
Yeah. It reminds me of Latitude 15.
Yes, I was thinking that. You took the thought right out of my head.
What do we have today? Air France
The Air France Lounge.
Lounge. I guess Icelandic Air uses the Air France Lounge
I think
for.
our gate, last night our gate was A15. Unless it's changed. But
Yeah, we got plenty of time because we don't
oh goodness, yes.
take off till 7 something, 7:40 or
We
so.
board at 6:40.
Yeah. Hey, yo, want a hat? Emerson, you want a hat?
Do I want a hat? You know what? Yeah, actually, I think I do. You know, I think this would be just a great
How you
hat
doing?
that I could throw at my friends.
Flight, sir?
Huh?
Anything for flight?
No,
No, thank you.
no, thank you. She goes, nope, nothing here.
Nothing here. Nothing with that whole letter.
All you had to say was no.
I know. Right?
No, thank you.
No, that's what you would have said. See? You and I are different
Nope,
that way.
nothing here. I will not be purchasing anything here. Thank you.
You and I are different that way.
has the privilege to express an opinion without fear of retaliation.
That's that's right. Well, I don't know about that. So we are on board and ready for departure. So flight time is about 5 hours and 20 minutes. So short flight.